Welcome to another stock market update. Today is November 18, 2018. We're just going to quickly look at the market indexes. On the S&P 500, as you can see that the S&P 500 basically looking for the possibility for it to move up and come up and maybe tag this 2796.34. Okay. Or then we basically see how it's going to chop and see would it be able to move to and get up to the 2864, or essentially going to come up and maybe do a back test and come back down. Right, so that's the one possibility of seeing it going up. Or the other one is that it just hover here and then do a back test and fail. Then we're looking at this thing to come back down to 2594. Then all of a sudden you basically have a baseline here, and then maybe people will be talking about this head and shoulder pattern. Now going back on this upside here, you know, there's a lot of people is already looking at this as a basically an inverted head and shoulder pattern. Okay, so there's a little bit of a too obvious, and as I said before, the market solemnly being accommodated to the majority. So if it come up and form this inverted head and shoulder, I wouldn't be surprised that it actually break through and suck in the long, and then it fail and come back down. So NASDAQ 100, you see that if we could hold this level here, then we might be able to make a move up to this 7158.78. Okay, otherwise then we might see it back test and fail and could come down to this 6522.70. Once again, if it come down this way, then essentially you could also look at it as a a head and shoulder pattern on a failure, and look at for to move on the downside. Then on the Russell 2000, we also see the possibility of it maybe getting a bounce toward this 1592 area here, right? Or it could come back down and maybe do a little back test and fail, then it move down to the 1452. Then you also could see here's a baseline to form another basically head and shoulder pattern. Right, so once again, if we go back here and if we come up here, you could also see that there's a possibility of forming an inverted head and shoulder pattern here with a breakout up at this level here to get a higher high and a higher low. Right, then we probably will be able to see it maybe trying to make itself back up to these various pivot level that became resistant. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber to my video channel, click on the subscribe button and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and good luck on your trading.